Maybe I should start a dance routine because I know at Bradley's they have like the guy strippers sometimes.
Yeah.
Maybe I go and I take Rick, the 33-year-old business baby, and I go do a routine.
I'll be your
on stage.
manager.
Yep. Just stuffing dollar bills into your black business socks. No pants, but business socks. I like that.
Chicken and some creamy Kraft dinner. Which you know what? By the way, if you haven't had Kraft lately, get the creamy stuff. Yeah, do it.
Yeah, it's worth it. Or even
better.
if you feel like spoiling yourself, the Velveeta Kraft dinner is
Does it come with liquid cheese inside?
very glamorous. Well, it's kind of a liquid.
Or is it powdery?
More of a paste.
Yeah, roger that.
Yeah.
Anyways, so welcome to the show. This is sports.
This is Macaroni Talk with Matt and Mike. The Moon Rock has the highest pre-sale estimate, could go for as much as $380,000.
Wow, I thought you were talking about like these guys who try and scam you by selling you pieces of the moon. Like, here, I'll sell you an acre of the moon. I'm like, wow, that auction house has really gone downhill.
Just sends you a picture of his butt.
Weekday mornings for Scott Kia. It's Diesel, Ray, and the crew on Cruise 101.3.